Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Master Classic Residency project which is located in Yelahanka, Bangalore. So this is the view of main connecting road. So friends, this is the view from main entrance gate. This project is built across 1.80 acres of land and offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments and total comprises of 126 number of units. It carries 3 number of blocks. It's a ready to move project. So this is the exterior view of apartments. Here is the parking area. The covered parking. So this is the view of project towers. And now we'll give you the internal view of a sample flat. So this is the living room with attached balcony. Here is the bedroom area. With balcony. Here comes the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen with separate utility area. This is the washroom area. Now this is the another bedroom of this flat. with attached washroom. So this we have given you the interior view of a sample flat. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.